Once upon a time in a quaint little village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Aunt Polly, who was not really anyone's aunt, but was so loving and caring that everyone affectionately called her Little Aunt Polly. She had a heart of gold and was always willing to help those in need. One sunny morning, as Little Aunt Polly was tending to her garden, she noticed her elderly neighbor, Mrs. Thompson, struggling to carry her heavy groceries from the market. Without a second thought, Little Aunt Polly rushed over and offered to help. "Thank you, dear," Mrs. Thompson said with a grateful smile. "You're always so helpful." Little Aunt Polly not only helped Mrs. Thompson carry her groceries, but also stayed to chat and keep her company. They shared stories and laughter, and Mrs. Thompson felt less lonely that day. As the days went by, Little Aunt Polly continued to assist those in her village. She helped Mr. Jenkins fix his leaky roof, she read stories to the children at the local library, and she even organized a food drive for the less fortunate. One evening, as she sat down to rest after a day filled with good deeds, a wise old man from the village approached her. He said, "Little Aunt Polly, you have a heart full of kindness, and you do so much for others. But remember, your greatest duty is not just to help, but also to inspire others to do the same." Little Aunt Polly realized the truth in his words. She started teaching the children in her village the importance of kindness and helping others. She encouraged them to follow in her footsteps and make the world a better place. Years passed, and the village of Little Aunt Polly became a place known for its compassion and unity. The children she had taught had grown up to be responsible and caring individuals, carrying on her legacy of kindness. Little Aunt Polly had not only done her duty by helping others, but had also inspired a whole community to do the same. And in doing so, she discovered that the true beauty of kindness lies not just in the act itself, but in the ripple effect it creates, making the world a better place for everyone. The moral of the story is that our duty extends beyond our individual acts of kindness. It also involves inspiring others to be kind and compassionate, creating a chain of goodwill that can change the world.